Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again. This is the Patreon giveaway winners announcement for the month of January. So remember, this is not a direct reward for supporting on Patreon. It's just something I do on the side because I appreciate my Patreon supporters so much, and a huge thank you to all of you. So let's have a quick look at the prizes for this month, and then we'll announce the winners. So this month we're giving away the again the fishhook keychain. Did this one in fishtail pattern with moss color paracord, and type of hardware that I haven't used before. This is the it's the brass with the copper finish, so it looks really nice. It's got this weathered kind of almost like patinaed finish, and there are the two split rings as well as the U shackle, and of course the Weaver's Eternity tag there. Right, so I think this copper color looks great with the moss. In fact, I'm probably gonna have to get more of this copper hardware and make one for myself because I really love the look of it. So yeah, each winner will receive one of those, as well as just a few other little goodies that you know, throw in Paracord related. So that being said, this month's winners are Anthony A and Jacob M. So huge congrats to you guys. Thank you so much for supporting on Patreon, and a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters. You guys mean a lot to me because you're doing a lot for this channel, and you're really helping it to continue. All right, so I will be emailing you guys the winners soon, so keep an eye out for my email. And remember, guys, if you want access to exclusive videos, exclusive tutorials that are on Patreon only, feel free to check out the link in the video as well as down below. Say, you know, you guys like what I do on my main channel, you want to help it keep going, feel free to just consider supporting on Patreon. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters. I wouldn't be here without you guys, and I will see you guys on the next video.